Ripple fights back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the letter that Ripple's defense team just drafted and sent to Judge Netburn, claiming that the SEC is not adhering to what the judge told them to, which is to allow Ripple to have access to all of the internal documents regarding the SEC's thoughts and decisions on Bitcoin and Ethereum. This, of course, coming right on the heels of tomorrow's big discovery hearing, and basically go over all the things that the judge said both sides have to do. And with Bitcoin moving pretty much sideways for the past month or so, the inflection point from the last couple of bull runs of where it had its first peak and pullback, and then, of course, that second peak, it's nearing for this 2021 bull run. But I want to know your opinion and your thoughts as to how close are we to actually seeing that massive run up. Now, of course, we have some major predictions of what Bitcoin is going to do, which of course is going to take a whole bunch of altcoins with it towards the end of this year, if that actually happens. We're going to talk about that in today's video. Hey everyone, my name is Randy. Welcome back to the Late Night Grind. I'm covering the SEC versus Ripple case on this channel, as well as other crypto news, investment markets, personal finance, and stimulus check updates, which FYI, I'm putting together a video on what the Biden administration just talked about last night regarding taxes and free everything. And I mean free everything. They just want everything to be free. So if any of those topics interest you and you want to follow along with all the new developments, go ahead, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap that bell notification icon. That way YouTube will notify you when I release a new video, which you do when there's new developments. Also, if you're feeling really generous, I'd really greatly appreciate it if you go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. It helps out with this channel, helps out with the YouTube algorithm, and it tells YouTube to show this video to other new audiences. All right, guys. Well, I like to keep these videos short and to the point, so let's jump right into this. Now, real quick, I want to talk about this Bitcoin bull run that we're supposedly in the middle of. Now, the charts and the analysts that I'm looking at have all said that right now, it looks like that inflection point where the first part of this bull run mirrors 2013, 2017 up to a certain point, and we've seen kind of that pullback and sideways movement. Now we're just waiting for that secondary part, which was the major run-up. If we look at the stock to flow charts, it's indicating that time is now. If we look at the days after halving event, it looks like that time is almost here. So let me know in the comment section, are you guys actually loading up on anything before the second half of this bull run? Do you think we're actually going to have a second half of this bull run? And if you are, what are you loading up on? Comment in the comment section down below. And also, as of note, Ethereum right now has been hitting all-time highs and really growing, even though Bitcoin has been kind of trending sideways and even downwards, which is interesting because up until now, Ethereum has typically followed what Bitcoin has been doing. And I saw another video yesterday, and there's actually two different YouTubers that cover crypto that are now saying Ethereum could hit $35,000 to $40,000 by the end of this year. That's a possibility because there's a lot of people saying that Bitcoin's going to be at $300,000 by the end of this year. Now, that's assuming things are similar to what they were in 2013 and 2017. 2013, 2017, we didn't have the Elon Musk of the world and the Michael Saylors of the world pumping hundreds of millions and billions of dollars into their Bitcoin holdings. But this year we also have some deterrents, namely the SEC. For several months now, they've been taking Ripple to court, claiming that XRP is a security, and they've been going back and forth over a bunch of different things. Well, tomorrow is a discovery hearing where both sides are supposed to meet, talk about all of the things, if they have witnesses, evidences, discussion points. But as of right now, it could be shaping up to be a bit of a fist fight. Because as of yesterday, there was a letter drafted by Ripple's defense team that says the SEC are not doing what the judge told them to do in the first place, which is to produce these internal documents based on their about their discussions and how they determined that Ethereum and Bitcoin were not securities, but were in fact cryptocurrencies. The SEC is claiming that they don't have such documents, and whatever they do have, they don't have to produce them. So Ripple said, well, yeah, you do. The judge said you had to. And that's the point where we're at right now. So I'm looking forward to hearing about what comes out tomorrow and what could be a groundbreaking hearing, not just for Ripple, but really for the cryptocurrency as a whole. If it's positive, in this case, turns out positive for Ripple, could that actually be the inflection point where we see the second half of this bull run and see everything else just literally take off? Or are we going to see it stagnate? And are we actually going to see Gary Gensler pull other cryptocurrencies into the fold and actually go after in the form of other regulations or other lawsuits? Because in my opinion, that could put a big wet blanket on the rest of this bull run. So if you want to follow along with all the developments as they happen, like I said, don't forget to click that subscribe button and watch out for the update videos. So thanks for watching, and please give this video a big thumbs up. Again, I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next video.